The top-end Vivo Nex phone has a truly bezel-less Full HD Plus display called the Ultra Full View display. This is due to the first-of-its-kind elevating front camera. This allows for 19.3:9 aspect ratio and 91.24% screen-to-body ratio. The phone also features narrow 1.71 mm bezels and allows for a large 6.59-inch screen, which is ideal for immersive viewing experience while seeing videos or gaming. The phone is available in black color. This phone has a large 8GB RAM and a 128GB internal memory, which allows for superior performance and ample space to hold all your apps, photos and videos and more. The Vivo Nex has dual SIM slots, both supporting 4G Volt capability. The phone can be unlocked using the in-display fingerprint sensor. Vivo Nex has a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera with Sony sensor and 4-axis optical image stabilization. The camera has f1.8 aperture for low-light photography and also uses artificial intelligence to recognize the scenes and adjust settings to enhance shots and AI HDR more detailed sharp shots. It also has an 8-megapixel pop-up front camera that elevates from behind the display and is hidden when not in use. The phone's camera also comes with special features like an f1.8 aperture for clear photos in low light. The Vivo Nex runs on Android Oreo and has a powerful Snapdragon 845 processor along with Adreno 630 GPU and cooling system, which ensures that the phone doesn't heat up even during heavy gaming. This makes the phone suitable for gaming and multitasking. This phone is powered by a large 4000 mAh battery with a dual-engine fast-charging technology using Type-C USB. The handset comes with pre-applied solid black case, Type-C cable, earphones, user manual, charger and SIM ejector pin. The phone is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.